The chairman of ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, answer Lee Hsien Loong. 2. Since 1993, common system in India is a search committee for answer appointing judges in Supreme Court and High Court. 3. Jan Dhan Yojana is an insurance scheme for answer farmers welfare. 4. Baghladia Dam project is located in which state? Answer Assam. 5. National Science Day is celebrated on answer February 28. 6. Which is the first federal foray into water pollution? Answer Federal Water Pollution Control Act of 1948. 7. The expansion of GDP is answer gross domestic product. 8. WiMAX is related to which one of the following? Answer communication technology. 9. Who discovered gamma rays from the following? Answer Paul Willand. 10. When sound waves travel from one medium to another medium, the quantity that remain unchanged is answer frequency. 11. In 2014, Nobel Prize for Physics was awarded for the invention of answer blue light emitting diodes. 12. A spring is hung vertically with a mass m attached to its lower end. The spring experiences an elongation d. Then the force constant of the spring is proportional to answer m by d. 13. When Sardar Bhagat Singh, Shiva Ram Rajaguru and Sukhdev were hanged, answer 23rd March 1931. 14. In 1931, the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by answer Vallabhbhai Patel. 15. When was the Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament? Answer July 18, 1947. 16. Article 51A of the Indian Constitution deals. Answer fundamental duties. 17. Which article of the Indian Constitution granted powers to the President of India to nominate 2 members from Anglo-Indian community to Lok Sabha? Answer Article 331. 18. The concept of judicial review was borrowed from answer USA. 19. Which one of the following is a state of India? Answer Goa. 20. Match the following study teams with suitable options. Answer A4, B1, C3, D2. 21. 1. Obelia polypis, sessile and fixed. 2. Obelia mature, medusa, in free swimming. Statements are true or false. Answer 1 and 2 are true. 22. Sensitivity, congenital, traumatic, metabolic and associated with drugs, smoke and heavy alcohol consumption are characters of answer cataract. 23. In human, which types of cells are affected by malarial parasite? Answer liver cell and RBC. 24. Which of the following is used in making printer ink, shoe polish and paint? Answer bone black. 25. LCM of x cube minus a cube and x minus a2 square is answer x minus a square into x square plus ax plus a square. 26. A man buys 10 articles for rupees 8 and sells them at the rate of rupees 1.25 per article. His gain is answer 56 1 by 4 percentage. 27. How many triangles are there in the figure below? Answer 10. 28. If a plus b plus c is equal to 13, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to answer 69. Then find ab plus bc plus ca. Answer 50. 29. Divide rupees 672 in the ratio 5:3. Answer rupees 420 and rupees 52. 30. What is the difference between the compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 1 by 2 years at 4% per annum compounded yearly and half yearly? Answer rupees 2.04. 31. The radius of a circular cylinder is the same as that of a sphere. Their volumes are equal. The height of the cylinder is answer 4 by 3 times its radius. 32. A man invested 1 by 3 of his capital at 7%, 1 by 4 at 8% and the remainder at 10%. If his annual income is rupees 561, find the capital. Answer rupees 6,600. 33. The length of the longest rod that can be placed in a room of dimensions 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter is answer 15 meter. 34. Answer 70.464. 35. Area of the rectangular region. Answer 12 units. 36. 1,100 boys and 700 girls are examined in a test. 42% of the boys and 30% of the girls pass. Find the percentage of the fail. Answer 62 2 by 3%. 37. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainders 6 and 5 respectively. Answer 127. 38. Find the missing term. Answer a few. 39. In which type of the rocks the Neolithic people had their settlements? Answer granite. 40. Who established the first English factory at Surat in 1680 AD? Answer William Hawkins. 41. In whose regime of Governor General Queen Victoria assumed the title Kaiser I Hind? Answer Lord Lytton. 42. Who mentioned Raja Ram Mohan Rai as the father of Indian Renaissance? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. 43. The Wildlife Protection Act was passed in India in answer 1972. 44. Match the following. Answer A3, B4, C2, D1. 45. Respiratory quotient RQ is answer volume of CO2 evolved by volume of O2 consumed. 46. Nutrition Atlas and Diet Atlas were published by answer ICMR. 47. Identify the important functions of regulated market committees in India and select the correct answer using the codes. Answer 1, 3 and 4 only. 48. The population of a country will increase when answer birth rates are high and death rates are low. 49. World Health Day. Answer 7th April 2015. 50. Who is the Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Answer Arvind Panagaria. 51. In which year India joined Hague Code of Conduct against ballistic missile technology? Answer 2016. 52. World's largest crude oil tanker expected to arrive at Chennai is answer MT New Diamond. 53. Which is the headquarters of Central Zonal Council? Answer Allahabad. 54. Prime Minister inaugurates India's longest road bridge connecting between which two states? Answer Assam and West Bengal. 55. Which framework and financing pattern of the 12th plan? Answer macroeconomic. 56. The process of economic reforms undertaken by whom? Answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. 57. In the first quarter of 2018 to 19 financial year, India's GDP is answer 8.2%. 58. Which planet was discovered by NASA's MAVEN to have twisted magnetic tail? Answer Mars. 59. Which is regarded as one of the world's hottest hotspots of biological diversity? Answer Western Ghats. 60. Simplify the given Boolean expression. Answer A. 61. Match the following. Answer A3, B4, C1, D2. 62. Who was the president of Hindu Mahasabha in the 1938? Answer V.D. Savarkar. 63. How many members were nominated by the British in the cabinet mission in 1946? Answer 3 members. 64. Which article of the Indian Constitution says that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all the children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such a manner as the state may determine? Answer 21A. 65. Who is regarded as the father of all India services? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 66. The 59th Amendment Act 1988 provided that necessary restrictions could be imposed on answer liberty of individual and life. 67. The number of benches of Central Administrative Tribunal in India is answer 17. 68. Fifth The cost of leveling a rectangular ground at rupees 1.25 per square kilometer is rupees 900. If the length of the ground is 30 meter, then the width is answer 24 meter. 85. 120 men had provisions for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic. The remaining food will last for answer 260 days. 86. The unit of currency used for trade during Rig Vedic period was answer Niska. 87. At the time of Alexander's invasion, Chanakya was a teacher in which university? Answer Taxila University. 88. What was the original name of Mian Tansen, the best singer of Akbar's time? Answer Ramtanu Pandey. 89. Who put an end the dual system of administration set up by Robert Clive? Answer Warren Hastings. 90. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in answer Tamil Nadu. 91. The Wild Ass Sanctuary lies in answer Tamil Nadu. 92. Which of the following tiger reserve is located in North India? Answer Dutwa. 93. Which one of the following was the purpose of Project Elephant? Answer to protect elephant from illegal hunting. 94. According to fluid mosaic model, plasma membrane is made of answer phospholipids, intrinsic and extrinsic proteins. 95. In India, seasonal unemployment and discussed unemployment are found in the answer agricultural sector. 96. In India, the Industrial Development Bank of India was started in the year answer 1964. 97. Which one of the following is not a direct tax? Answer service tax. 98. Dualistic nature of Indian economy refers to answer coexistence of developed and underdeveloped segments of the economy. 99. The first 5-year plan laid more emphasis upon answer agriculture. 100. Who has introduced Mahalwari system? Answer William Bentinck.